We had a debate between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. Two journalists took turns to ask questions, and they had to come up with their best answers.
The subjects were all from terrorism to taxes, economy, jobs, gun law, Obamacare, to how the election is going for the two candidates. What do you stand for, Hillary, and how do you think it went?
I think the debate went great. We had a lot to discuss. Um, our main points were to talk about immigrants and jobs and education. So I think I answered my part pretty good, and I definitely think that that I got the right answers to all the questions. Like there was no questions I couldn't answer, um, and I think all in all it went pretty great. So what do you think, Trump?
Um, I must admit that Hillary was more prepared for today. Um, I want all immigrants out of USA, and I want to rebuild the military so we can fight against the Islamic State. But Hillary was better today, I must admit that.
Thank you for a very good debate. See you soon.
And good election to both of you. Goodbye.